So question was A and B both are moving in same direction. A with 10 meter per second, B with 12 meter per second, right? Na? A tha na? And radius of circle was 21 meter. After how much time the two of them will cross each other? Question was after how?
70 meters radius.
Okay, radius 70 meter. Radius was centimeter. Question was after how much time they will cross each other? नहीं सोच पा रहा कोई भी. मुझे लगा सब ऐसे उड़ाएंगे क्वेश्चंस तो. चलो हिंट देता हूं. The moment when they cross each other for the first time, difference between the distance traveled will be equal to circumference.
सर मतलब ये circumference of मतलब कुछ 440 मीटर डिस्टेंस है पूरा. और
Okay.
और
I cannot hear you.
जो B जो डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल करेगा का और ये जो डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल करेगा उन दोनों का सम 440 मीटर होगा.
सम नहीं, डिफरेंस. सम तब 440 होता है when they are traveling in opposite direction.
अच्छा हाँ, वो लास्ट लेक्चर में था ना.
हाँ, लास्ट लेक्चर में अपोजिट होगा तो when they meet the sum is 440. This time ये जो धीरे धीरे चल रहा है ना, ये पीछे पीछे आएगा, ये स्पीड से आएगा, ये इसको पीछे से कवर करेगा ऐसा. तो by the time they meet each other, cross each other for the first time, the two of them difference between the distance traveled by two of them would be equal to circumference. Say they cross each other after t seconds.
220.
Sorry, 220 seconds is answer. Distance traveled, दोनों का कितना हो गया? Distance traveled by A and B in P seconds is 12t and 10t. Therefore, 12t minus 10t is equal to 2 pi into r. So 2t is equal to, this is 10, 2 cancel, this is 440. T is equal to 220 seconds. That's answer. Clear?
Yes, sir.
No,
Nahi?
no.
Okay, see. This is your circle. Both of them start from this point, right? Suppose one of them is very slow, who reaches here only, and the other one is fast. So the two of them will cross each other when the fast one completes one revolution and then covers this. No? See, A yahan se yahan, this much, and the one who was fast, ये इससे जाके यहाँ आ गया. So this is distance traveled by slower one, and this is distance traveled by the one who is fast. So the difference will be what? इतना remove कर दो, the difference is the circumference. No?
No, sir.
See, imagine you and one of your friends are running on a circular track. Okay? You are fast than your friend, right? So what you will do? You will take a lead, right? Your friend is slow. Suppose your friend is walking and you are running, right? So what you will do? You will move at a higher rate. So your friend is walking slowly. So when you cross your friend, By that time, you have taken a lead of one complete round. Still not clear? Imagine you and one of your friends is moving on circular track. Your friend is walking. This is your friend who is walking. And you are running, right? वो धीरे धीरे आगे आएगा and you are moving with more speed. So you will cover up after completing one extra revolution.
समझा
अभी भी नहीं पक्का? Okay. Now question is, after how much time this will happen? I said, let us assume that it happens after t seconds. So distance traveled by A and B in t seconds will be, one of them will cover 12t, other will cover 10t. So their difference is 2t, but it should be equal to circumference of the circle. So circumference of circle is 2 pi r. That is 440. The 2t is equal to 440 or t is equal to 220 seconds. Okay. चिन्मय समझा अभी फाइनली?
नहीं अभी भी नहीं समझा, वहां तक समझा, उसके आगे का नहीं.
See, तो t seconds में you were moving at 12 meter per second. So t seconds में how much distance you will cover? 12t. 12 meter every second. So in t seconds how much will move? 12 into t,
Yes.
right? And your friend who is moving slowly at 10 meter per second will cover only 10t.
Yes.
तो दोनों का difference कितना हो गया? 2t. But logically difference should be equal to circumference. So circumference का formula क्या? 2 pi r. So 2 into 20 by 2 by 7 into 70. ये 10 हो गया, ये 440 हो गया. नहीं आ रहा समझ में?
तो सर्कमफरेंस इक्वल क्यों होगा?
एक फुल राउंड आपका लीड हो गया.
हाँ.
योर फ्रेंड वो यहाँ तक ही आए और आप पूरा भाग के ऐसे यहाँ पहुंच गए. तो दोनों के जो डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल्ड का डिफरेंस है, एक फुल, समझा? हाँ, तो फुल सर्कल का लीड हो गया ना. फुल सर्कल मींस व्हाट? 2 pi r. So 2 into 22 by 7 into radius. So that is lead. So 2t is equal to 440. All right? Okay. ये इस बार एक जेई का क्वेश्चन था, बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग सा क्वेश्चन था. इस बार है, लास्ट टाइम. A person standing on a road, a person standing on a ground feels that a plane is flying as I'll read the question. I'll give you 2 minutes to think on it. A person standing on a ground feels that a plane is at a height of 1000 meter in a direction making 60 degree with the vertical. When plane is actually above him, if speed of sound is v meter per second, calculate speed of plane. सोचो यहाँ पे क्या लिखा हुआ है, फिर मैं एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ आपको इसका मतलब.
वो लास्ट वाली लाइंस वापस रिपीट करोगे?
A person standing on a ground feels that, जैसे मैं ग्राउंड पे खड़ा हूँ तो मुझे क्या लग रहा है, 1000 मीटर ऊपर 60 डिग्री पे, वर्टिकल के साथ 60 डिग्री पे, वहां से मुझे लग रहा है कि प्लेन वहां पे है, जबकि प्लेन यहाँ पे है. प्लेन मेरे एकदम ऊपर है. A person standing on a ground feels that a plane is at a height of 1000 meter in a direction making 60 degrees vertical when plane is actually above him. So if speed of sound is v meter per second, calculate speed of plane. Draw a rough sketch for it. Maybe my words are not exactly same, but this was this was the question asked in exam in JEE last year. Yes, last year. Hello, no one. Okay, I'll draw the rough sketch. You try then. See, this be ground, a person standing here. This be the vertical. This is height of 1000 meter, right? He feels that plane is flying somewhere here when actually plane is here. Plane जो है आपको ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे यहाँ पे. Why? Because you are receiving sound from plane in this direction, but plane is actually just above you, obviously 1000 meter above. So what is speed of plane in terms of speed of sound? नहीं समझा? चलो नेक्स्ट बोलता हूँ. Actually by the time
सर ये
sound
प्लेन का जो
हाँ.
साउंड है उसका
हाँ.
स्पीड क्या है?
V, speed of sound is V. Okay? Speed of sound is V meter per second. Calculate speed of plane. Actually, what is happening is when plane has moved from here to here, sound emitted by plane has moved from here to here. तो जितनी देर में साउंड यहाँ से यहाँ पहुंचता उतनी देर में प्लेन यहाँ पहुंचा. तो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है साउंड यहाँ से आ रहा है, मतलब प्लेन इधर है, बट एक्चुअली प्लेन ऊपर आ चुका है. अभी
1000 V upon root 3.
1000 V नहीं है क्या? सी स्पीड निकालना है आपको. तो डिस्टेंस इसको यहां से ये डिस्टेंस 1000 है, तो ये डिस्टेंस कितना होगा? If this is 1000, this is how much?
1000 root 2.
Cos 60 is 1000 by this distance is suppose z. So z is 1000 by cos 60. Cos 60 is half 2000. So this distance is 2000. ठीक है? So time taken by sound is 2000 by v. In the same time, plane has covered this distance. What is this distance? This is 1000 root 3.
सर cos
Therefore,
60 1 by root 2 आएगा.
नहीं 1 by 2 dear. Cos 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Therefore, speed of plane is covers a distance equal to 1000 root 3 but in 2000 by v seconds. So this gets cancelled. Root 3 v by 2 is answer. So speed of plane is root 3 v by 2. अभी सोचो आप क्या लिखा है, फिर मैं वापस एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ. इतना मुश्किल नहीं है, बस वो वर्ड्स और इमेजिन करना है. एक बार वो इमेजिन कर लिया तो इजी है. मैं इसके बाद भी 1 मिनट देता हूँ, आप सोचो, फिर उसके बाद मैं वापस एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ.
Sir, 4000 by root 3 is equal to v square.
I did not get you. 4000 by v. What do you saying?
Time
Answer is
of
root 3
sound.
by, Time taken by sound. Time taken by sound is 2000 by v to travel from here to here. In the same time, plane has moved from here to here. चलो अभी एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ. सी, सबसे पहले आप बताओ किसको क्वेश्चन नहीं समझा है. इफ एनीबडी इज देयर हु हैज नॉट अंडरस्टूड क्वेश्चन. Abhijit is not there. Chinmay, Kavya,
Yes, sir.
question is clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Sorry?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So question is, I believe, clear to everyone. What has happened is, sound was emitted by moving plane at this point, and the person is standing here. So he hears the sound from this direction, whereas plane is moving in this direction. So when plane is above him, he hears a sound from this direction, right? So actually sound has moved from this point to this point, while plane has moved from this point to this point. We have to find the speed of the plane with respect to speed of the sound, which is v. The height was 1000. If I complete this triangle, this is 60, this is 30, this is 90, this is 1000. So this is 2000 and this is 1000 root 3. वो triangle के अंदर मैंने side opposite to 30 is half of hypotenuse. So this is 2000, this is 1000. ये काम हो गया मेरा. So the time in which sound travels a distance equal to 2000 meter, in the same time, speed of, this is some speed of plane, covers a distance of 1000 root 3. So both the time are same. This 1000 gets cancelled. The velocity of plane is root 3 v by 2. That's answer. Still, if it is not clear, let me know. I'll explain again. Chinmay, Sarvesh,
सर.
समझा?
हाँ सर, समझ.
नहीं समझा.
Okay. See, first you have to understand question. Question आपको clear होना चाहिए. See, आपको आवाज जहां से आ रही है आपको तो वही लगेगा प्लेन वहीं से आ रहा है. Right? See, if you're not seeing at the plane, how will you understand where is plane? You will see, you'll try to sense the direction from where you're receiving the sound, right? So you have received the sound from this direction, when actually plane was above you. ऐसा कैसे जादू हो गया? वो ऐसे हुआ होगा कि साउंड भी तो ट्रैवल करता है. साउंड आल्सो ट्रैवल्स विद सम स्पीड एंड प्लेन आल्सो ट्रैवल्स विद सम स्पीड. सुना नहीं ऐसे क्वेश्चंस? 10th में तो ऐसे कितने क्वेश्चंस किए थे. इको होता है इतने बार के बाद इतना हाँ आता है, ये होता है वो होता है. तो साउंड आल्सो ट्रैवल्स विद सर्टेन वेलोसिटी. तो साउंड यहां से आया जबकि प्लेन यहां से यहां पहुंच गए. दिस स्टेप इज क्लियर? दिस स्टेटमेंट इज क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is, complete this triangle. This height was 1000. So in this triangle, use cos 60. So you will get 2000 here. Use sin 60. So you will get 1000 root 3 here. Right? ये step भी clear हो गया?
हाँ sir.
Okay. Now, the time in which sound travels this distance, 2000 meter with this speed, and the time in which plane covers this distance is same. ये यहाँ से यहाँ पहुँच गया, ये यहाँ से यहाँ पहुँच गया. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, time taken by sound to cover a distance of 2000 with this speed is 2000 by v. Time taken by plane to cover this distance is 1000 root 3 by velocity of plane. Right? अब सिंप्लीफाई करना है. ये 3 0 कैंसिल. vp is root 3 v by 2. अभी नहीं समझा?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that's your answer. Now, one more question. Suppose there's a truck. There's a truck which has a 4 wheel smaller than the rear wheel, right? There's a bus or truck which has a four wheel smaller than this one. Diameter of four wheel is 2 meter, sorry, 20 centimeter, and this is 50 centimeter. There is no slip between. ये ट्रक इधर जा रहा है. There is no slip between tire and ground. Tire and ground. If four wheel makes four wheel makes 180 revolution per minute, find number of revolutions made by rear wheel per minute. Answer question. क्वेश्चन समझ में आ गया? There's a truck, four wheel is 20 centimeter, rear wheel is 50 centimeter. There is no slip between tire and ground. If four wheel makes 180 RPM, find number of revolutions made by rear wheel per minute. Hint is, by the time wheel makes one revolution, truck travels by a distance equal to circumference. This is hint. By the time wheel makes one revolution, distance covered by the truck is equal to circumference of the wheel. No one? बड़ा इजी सा क्वेश्चन है, कोई तो बताओ कुछ. In fact, some of you might have done it in 10th standard also in maths. आर.डी. शर्मा में इसके ऊपर ऐसे क्वेश्चंस भी थे. वैभव,
Yes, sir.
नहीं आ रहा? Revolutions four wheel makes in 1 minute. अरे फोर व्हील का तो बोलो, लिखा हुआ क्वेश्चन का डेटा है वो.
180.
180. So while four wheel completes 180 revolution, what distance truck will cover in horizontal direction? What distance is covered by truck? जब तक वो 180 2 नहीं 2 पाई आर ना एक रेवोल्यूशन में. Distance traveled by truck in one revolution. Distance traveled by truck in 1 minute is how much? 180 revolution per minute से एक revolution में 2 pi into 20 इतना distance. So 180 into 2 pi into 20 centimeter. Is this clear? Chinmay? बोलो.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, suppose the rear wheel makes n revolution per minute. Suppose rear wheel makes n revolution per minute. So distance traveled by truck as per rear wheel should be what? Distance traveled by truck in 1 minute should be how much? If I consider rear wheel, n is number of revolutions made per minute, और एक revolution में 2π/20 into actually 60 भी था, मैं भूल गया, नहीं 1 minute है बराबर 1 minute है, तो